Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can connect domain name with our hosting. Okay, so suppose whenever you buy the domain name from some other platform or hosting from other platform, then we need to connect both. Okay, to know that like domain should know that where is my data. Okay, so he can display the data from that hosting. Okay, so how we can connect both? So it's really very simple. You need to log in into both platforms. Suppose here is a Namecheap and GoDaddy. Okay, or some other hosting panel. So whenever you log in into your hosting panel, you will always see the C panel. See, the C panel look like this. As you can see here, that C panel look like this. Okay, now as you can see here in this C panel, you will see here currently not using, this is my domain, suppose saurabdubeblog.com is currently not using our name server. Our name servers are this, right? If you want to connect your hosting to this domain, then you need to update these record, name server record. Sometimes you will find name server record in your email also whenever you buy the domain. Okay, so you need to copy that names server like this. Okay, they have the 4 name server record. Some website have the 2 name server records. You need to log in into your domain platform. Okay, so suppose this is the domain name, and in the domain name you will find here the DNS management option. See, DNS management option. So as you can see, a custom DNS, select this, and as you can see the name servers, this one, right? Now we need to update the value here. As you can see, I have updated the DNS 1 2 3 4. As you can see, these values, right? This one, right? So we just need to update these value and just save it. Now it will take around 24 hours. Okay, most of the hosting will say it will take 24 hours to 48 hours, but most probably it will take only 2 to 3 hours. That's it. You can use it. Okay, and that's the way how you can connect your hosting to the domain name. That's really very simple and easy process. So if you have any doubt, you can ask one comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.